This is gonna be breakfast today. I'm keeping it nice and simple while also trying to use everything that I already bought. So I'm having that 45 calorie bread, and my avocados were ripe, so I went ahead and used some avocados. And then I'm using a pepper jack cheese, turkey bacon, and a fried egg. And then I'm having that with the caramel premier protein. Bella, we gotta give you a bath, mama. Come on, we gotta go upstairs and give you a bath. I know you don't like it, but you feel so good afterwards. Remember how good you feel after? You feel like a new girl. You do. You ready? Come on. She hates baths. I have to give her a bath though because the groomer lady who usually gives her a haircut is not available. She has an emergency and she has her own business. I don't know if I'm going to attempt to cut her hair because her hair is getting long, but I also don't want to botch her. You'll be okay. I just gave Bella a bath. She did not want to do it, but she feels so good now that she did it. She's outside getting some sun, air drying. I just showered. I'm about to let my hair air dry too because it is so hot out. I do not want to use a blow dryer, not today. But I'm gonna head on over to Target because I want to get some of that Stok cold brew again, the espresso blend. It is so good, you guys. I'm gonna pick up 2 of those, and then I have a few other things I need to pick up from Target. Okay, you guys, we are back from Target. I spent a whopping $68. So let me show you guys what I got because I actually stuck to my list. The very first thing I got was my favorite Stok cold brew coffee. This is the espresso blend. You guys, it's seriously the best one. You can really taste the espresso in there. It tastes a lot stronger than the other one. In my opinion, the regular Stok cold brew just are not strong enough for me. And this one has that like extra kick. Picked up 2 of them and I'm pretty sure they're higher in caffeine content, 195 milligrams per 12 fluid ounces. So just so you know, but this is the best one. I plan on mixing this with my Premier Protein caramel shakes. I'm trying to cut down a little bit on the creamer, although I've been also using the Starbucks zero sugar caramel creamer. I had to get some Oreo thins because I've been having a chocolate craving lately, and it was between this and ice cream, and I got ice cream last week, so Oreo thins for the win. I'm a sucker for Oreos. They're just my favorite, and the thin ones are seriously my favorite. I was between these and regular flaming hot fries, and I was like, you know what, let me go for the healthier option. So I got the garden veggie straws screaming hot, and what I like about these is that you can have 38 of them for 130 calories, which is a win-win, I think. But they're actually really good. I'm not really a fan of the regular ones. They're okay, but the hot ones are really good. I think they also have like ranch ones. I've never had those, but these screaming hot ones are really good if you like hot chips. And I picked up some green beans because I'm gonna be making some steak, potatoes, and garlic green beans for dinner. So I picked up those. I wanted to get me a mask. I'll probably do this tonight. So I got the Juicy Peach Beach Brightening Peach Mask. Oh my God, that's a tongue twister. I had to read that like 5 times in my head before I even spoke it out. Yeah, I heard this smells really good. I love me some peaches, and these are only like $2.99. So yeah, that's a pretty good deal for these. So I'm probably using this tonight. And then I just got another pack of gum because I'm completely out and I like to have gum at all times. The sweet watermelon one is one of my favorite ones. I was completely out of like any type of mist or setting spray, and I was looking for the Milani one because I heard that one's really good. I am a huge fan of Milani like foundation and blush and all of that. So I was looking for that one, but they didn't have it in stock. So I got this one because I know I've used this before and it's all right, and it's only like $8 or so. I'm completely out of my Cetaphil face wash now, so I thought I would try the CeraVe or CeraVe, however you say it. I've heard a lot of great things. I usually use Cetaphil moisturizing cream even underneath my makeup because it's just always been like my go-to. So I think next time I'm gonna try the CeraVe moisturizing cream to use underneath my makeup. I got the hydrating facial cleanser for normal to dry skin. My skin is extremely dry, so when I saw hydrating, I was like, yeah, we gotta do that one. course I got wine because I have absolutely no wine in the wine fridge at all. And why would I even buy a wine fridge when I'm not even gonna have wine in there, right? So this is one of my favorite ones, not only because it's lower in calories, but because it is only $5.99. This is the Yellowtail Pure Bright Pinot Grigio, and it's lower in calories and lower in alcohol. 80 calories per serving, which is pretty great, especially right now when it's like extremely hot out and you want like a nice cold glass of wine. This is my favorite one. They also have the Sauvignon Blanc that's also the same price. I think the calories are the same, but honestly I like the Pinot Grigio taste for this like particular brand so much better than I like the Sauvignon Blanc. Although I do like Sauvignon Blanc, just really if I had to compare between the two for this brand, this one's better in my opinion. But yeah, lower calorie, gluten-free, vegan, if any of that matters to you. These are so good and only $5.99. And that's pretty much it. That's everything that I got. These are the steaks I'm gonna be making for dinner. I got these at Aldi, and Aldi usually has really good prices for steaks, especially these. These are ribeyes, they're grass-fed steaks, and it comes in a 2-pack, and I don't remember if I got them on sale, but if you don't get them on sale, it's $12 for 2 steaks, and they're a pretty good size, way more affordable than going out to buy like a steak dinner. So I really like getting my steaks there, and I'm gonna pair them with green beans. I'm gonna make garlic green beans. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash these, I'm gonna cut them even probably like half of the size that they are already, just to make them easier to eat. And then I have mashed potatoes boiling up right now. I'm just boiling them in chicken broth. I find that that gives them better flavor than boiling them in just water. And then the steaks, I'm gonna make them in my Foodie Ninja. Literally the best thing. It was like the best purchase ever because I grilled chicken there, steak there. I mean, pretty much grill everything there. But yeah, it's gonna be an easy, delicious dinner. I'll show you guys when I'm done. Okay, the green beans look just about done, and so I'm gonna turn the flame off there. And then the mashed potatoes are also done. I just put butter, a little heavy cream, salt and pepper, and we're good to go. And then the steaks are also almost done. I love doing meals like these because they take no time at all and they're so tasty. As soon as this is done, I'm gonna let it rest, and I bet it's almost done. Oh yeah, definitely. I need to get this out. We are watching the Warriors game. Kevin's dad is over, so we're watching the Sacramento and Golden State Warrior game. It's such a good game right now, you guys. Kevin's dad and Kevin are both Golden State Warrior fans because they're from Oakland, so that makes me, by default, a Golden State Warriors fan. But yeah, he brought over chips and salsa. He said he got these at Grocery Outlet. It was a 12-pack for like 10 bucks. You guys, these are freaking amazing. I've never had them before, but it's the New York seltzer, like hard seltzers, and these are like 130 calories. It does have a little bit of sugar, 5 grams of sugar, so it's a little bit sweeter than just like a White Claw, but these are so freaking good. It comes in a 12-pack, and there's like a couple of different flavors, so let me show you guys the flavors. Have raspberry, peach, blueberry, and black cherry. Freaking amazing, you guys. I'm gonna have to run to Grocery Outlet at some point because those hard seltzers, you guys, are the best. They don't have that stevia taste. You know, those Truly lemonades, they have that stevia taste, and I know a lot of people don't really like that because stevia has a very distinct taste. We have a Wingstop nearby. It's halftime for the show right now, so they went to go pick up some Wingstop. I'm excited for that Cajun corn. That Cajun corn is literally the best from Wingstop, as well as the ranch. The ranch is the bomb, okay? I don't care what anybody says, the ranch is the bomb. So we're gonna have that. We're just gonna chill out, chit chat, watch the game, and really just hang out. It's nice because we haven't seen him in a minute, so it's nice that we have his dad over. I'm pretty sure I already have a full vlog if I close this out right now, so I don't want it to be too long. If you guys are not subscribed, feel free to subscribe because I would love to have you guys here. I really want to grow this channel, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.